Hi. Recording. Okay, it is recording. Okay. So I've been wanting to do a 50 facts about me video for a really long time because every time I watch other girls' 50 facts about me videos, I find it a good way to get to know them. So yeah, thought I would do one. So, I grew up in a small town in Texas between Houston and Galveston. I started modeling when I was 15 years old. When I first started modeling, I started in Houston, but was later sent to Milan, Hamburg, Los Angeles, and New York. And then I ended up moving to LA because I loved it. I did not go to college, but I did have plans to go to college. If I wasn't doing modeling, I planned on being a teacher, but now that I'm in the fashion industry, if I wasn't modeling anymore, I would definitely be a designer. I'm a very spiritual person. I collect crystals, I love to read metaphysical books, and I love to meditate. My favorite kind of meditation is called the Chakra Dhyana. My favorite authors are Abraham Hicks, Eckhart Tolle, and Wayne Dyer. My favorite color is light pink, if you can't tell from my Instagram. I grew up playing piano and guitar for 10 years, and I'm disappointed in myself that I quit, but I got busy. I have a dog named Sadie. Her name was Sable when I started fostering her. I fell in love with her and ended up adopting her. I'm super passionate about animals, and one of the things that drives me to be successful is because I want to open up my own animal shelter one day. So my goal for this year was to start asking for what I want and not being afraid. My middle name is Jewel. It's my family's name. It's my mom's middle name, my dad's mom's name, and my mom's name. I do have a boyfriend, and we've been together for 11 years, so since I was in middle school. My mom is an artist. I think being judgmental or having an ego is one of the most unattractive traits that anyone can have, and I believe and I'm all about inclusivity, so I don't like excluding people. I'm trying to learn how to share more of my mind through the world of social media, but it's difficult. I definitely believe in the law of attraction and the power of positive thinking. I do positive affirmations every single day, and I strongly encourage them. Even though they can seem cheesy or embarrassing or you might feel weird at first, they actually create new neural pathways in your brain that help you to believe those things about yourself, which therefore attracts them to you. I've never had any plastic surgery or cosmetic enhancements. My favorite food in the whole wide world is definitely chocolate, and I can eat a ton of chocolate in one sitting. I hate anchovies and mushrooms. I don't eat beef, I don't eat lamb, and I don't eat duck. The neighborhood I grew up in as a kid, we would play with and feed the ducks outside, so I see them more as friends, not food. When I was a kid in Texas, I got thrown off of a horse into a tree, and I refused to get back on until my mom offered me $5. I was chased by a wild monkey in Borneo, and it was absolutely terrifying. When I do work out, my favorite workout is yoga or hiking, but I don't do it often enough. I grew up as an only child, but I have a half-brother and a half-sister. My favorite type of music is rap, hip-hop, reggae, jazz, and classical. Basically anything but country. My favorite sport is basketball, but I didn't play any sports growing up. Every new year, I make a list of goals that I want to accomplish. My favorite pizza toppings are pepperoni and pineapple. I love hot weather, and my favorite place to be is on the beach. Hence this view right now. My astrological sign is Leo, and I'm a Leo through and through. I've only been in snow once in my life. When I was a kid, I had a gap tooth and a unibrow. I also got cast as Frida Kahlo in my school play. Appreciation is my favorite feeling in the whole world. I love to make lists of all the things that I'm grateful for and go over them before I go to bed. I'm a super messy, unorganized person. I wish that I wasn't. I love a clean house. There's nothing I love more, but I just can't do it. I believe in aliens and ghosts. Well, more like spirits, but I definitely believe in aliens. I won't go into a haunted house. On Halloween, I won't go. I won't do Halloween horror nights. I won't do a haunted house. I'm too scared. I only started watching scary movies a year ago. I'm 5'8" tall. I love going back to Texas. It is my favorite place in the whole entire world. The next two places on my bucket list are Maldives and Bora Bora. I'll play a song that I love on repeat until I absolutely hate it. I tend to talk really, really loud and really, really fast, and I think it's a Texas thing. I'm probably gonna watch this YouTube video and hate the way that I talk. YouTube is really hard for me, and it makes me feel super vulnerable, but I'm trying to work on that. I'm a very positive person, and I always try to look on the bright side of things, so to some people, that comes across as naive. I always pay attention to people's micro-expressions and personality traits and take mental notes. I hope you guys like this video. I'm always trying to work on becoming more vulnerable and being more open to sharing more of my personal life and more of my true self. on social media, so let me know if you guys want to see more. Bye! Time to go get some guac.